Since you've got yourself a new weapon, let's see if we can't put it to good use. Come on, let's go chat up Weimer.
Who?
The guy who tracks all the requests that come to the watch. You never know. Could toss some work your way.
Where's he at?
Oh, he should be back at the office by now.
Opened up shop in the area, didn't you?
The tally of monster slain has been updated.
Searching for
Got
candidates.
New numbers.
Hey there, Tifa. You need a helping hand?
Actually, I wanted to introduce you to an old friend of mine. This is Cloud. He's a merc.
Ah, you don't say. Well, we're always on the lookout for experienced fighters to help us deal with the bigger critters.
I'll take on anything. For the right price, that is.
Experienced and cocky, huh? If it's a challenge you want, I might have a few good ones. Your clients can fill you in on the details. Prove yourself at these jobs, and I'll see if I can't find you some more.
Thanks.
Candidate detected. Performing physical analysis. Sizable weapon, excellent cardiovascular health and impressive lung capacity, perfectly balanced muscle and bone structure. An optimal candidate! My name is Chadley. I'm an intern for Shinra's Research and Development Division. I hope you'll be interested in helping me with my research. Please accept this as a down payment. I would like you to set that assess materia in your equipment and use it to gather intelligence in battle. This data will help me to develop new types of materia.
I'm not interested in working for Shinra.
You should know that I work actively to undermine Shinra's efforts. I'm sure you of all people can appreciate the tremendous power of materia, as well as how it might be wielded against your corporate enemies. And if you later decide that I am not worthy of your trust, you can do what you do best.
I will hold you to that.
Excellent! Then we shall work together so long as you deem fit. Once you've completed your task, please return and report to me.
You're gonna have to talk to your clients if you want all the details.
Please set the orb of assess materia to your equipment and use it to gather battle intel.
You're our go-to monster slayer now.
I can finally.
I hear you sell swords.
The tally of monster slain has been updated. Got new numbers for monster slain this month. Check them out.
Call us if you see trouble.
Next item on the Friends of
Hey, where'd you guys... Oh, hey there. Is Marlene with you?
No.
Oh, okay. I was kinda hoping she could help me find my friends.
I know someone who can help you. This guy right here.
Really? Okay, let me tell you all about them. They have long arms and legs, and they're a little skinny. They like places where there's food, and nice people will give them treats when they ask. And small spaces. Oh yeah, and they're all cats.
I'm looking for cats.
They're friendly, so if you call them, they'll come running. All three of them. Find my friends, please.
What's the source of all life?
Stream, right? What's a live stream?
I've been told the super...
The guy who lives over there.
Hey there. See anything you like?
No better way to keep you and your family safe? I want...
Think there's any way they can make
Check out our selection. Speak with our friendly staff to find...
shopping here? Ain't no monsters here.
What's the big sword for?
You know, the item store's fallen in hard times.
Hey there, Tifa. Welcome back. And you, the new merc in town looking for work, right?
Yeah.
In that case, maybe you could do something about the Doom Rats? Them and their were-rat buddies have been tearing up town, looking for food and whatnot. Got into the store and made one hell of a mess, let me tell you. Oh, you think that's funny, do you? Don't lie. I saw you crack a smile. Well, do the job and you can laugh it up for all I care. Anyway, they're probably nesting in the outskirts. Now I've heard a were-rat in pain will call its friends for help. And the whole rat pack will come running just like that.
All the items you could want, straight from the plate.
How's about you and...
This won't take long.
Not at all. Come on.
I don't see any Doom Rats around.
What do you think? Should we raid? You know, this might be a waste of time. Let's head back to the store and touch base for now.
Something creepy. All the items you could want, straight from the plate. No matter your needs or your budget.
Well, rats too much to handle? I'm just messing with you. Heard you took out some were-rats, which is nice and all, but the job was to wipe out the Doom Rats. No biggie. Get back out there and finish the job, and we're good. Don't look so glum. It's only a matter of time till they show. You'll get them this time for sure.
All the items you could want, straight from
Another day.
Too bad.
Bring it! Bingo! Gotcha!
Still in it.
Come on!
All right. Gotcha. Let's finish this.
Gotcha!
Sloppy. Let's do this. It's over.
Too late! Bring it!
Going in. Now you're in for it.
Worked up a good sweat.
straight from the plate. No matter your needs or
Finally managed to get those Doom Rats, huh? Thanks, guys. You're the greatest. Was so dead in here, I thought I might have to close up shop for good. Hey, got an idea. Hear me out. If the guy who took care of the town's rat problem told everybody where he liked to shop, well, what do you say? I'll make it worth your while, of course. Give you some incentive. Talk you up to Weimer and my customers, and anybody else who listen. You'll be swimming in work before you know it.
Yeah, sure.
Okay then, that's what I like to hear. Seventh Heaven, the new merc in town and my little store. I can see it now. We're gonna clean up.
That went well. Could be you found your calling.
Was alright, I guess.
Think of each job as an opportunity. Not to make money, but to build connections.
It's not what you know, but who.
You remembered.
Had a patient teacher.
Maybe not so patient next time.
Oh boy.
Oh, Barrett should have finished collecting his share of the money by now. So what do you want to do? Head back to the bar?
Thanks to the awesome
Just imagine if rich
Hey,
people
what are you
started
doing
making
in
it
there?
safer.
Come on out. I'm trying to get a cat to come out. It snatched one of my pastries and scurried in there. Will you be a dear and lend me a hand?
This sucks.
Oh, for the love of... I'm sick and tired of chasing this little guy around.
There's this one weirdo who lives there too.
We should increase security.
Hey, Cloud,
Keep that
need your help.
Please set the Orb of Assess Materia to your equipment and use it to gather battle intel.
A certain shopkeeper told me you paid him a visit. Thanks for helping him out. Just so happens there's another job I'd like to offer you. Now that I know you can handle yourself in a fight. We've got a real killer on the loose, you see. A rabid catch dog. Maybe you've heard people talking about it. Shinramuk gone feral. Last sighting was in Scrap Boulevard. Think you're up to it?
I'll handle it.
You're a lifesaver. Doubt anyone else around here stands a chance. Go get him, bud.
there anyone who can chase off that...
Some rabid dog is prowling the boulevard. Don't screw this up.
Keep your cool.
No need to worry.
Let's do this. I got your number. It's on now. Sloppy.
Come on!
Damn it.
Over here! Tifa! Hey, Cloud!
I drove the Hound into the area up ahead. He's pissed, so make sure you're ready.
Focus. Let's do this. Here we go. It's on now. All good. Get ready. Here we go.
Come on! I've got you covered.
I won't give up. You're out of luck. Just like that, okay?
I gotcha.
There. That should be enough intel for the kid.
Keep up the good work, Tifa.
I know you. You're that,
Cloud! You were the first to gather the data I requested. Here is the rest of your payment. I have developed new materia. Would you like to see it? I plan to develop more materia in the future. Together, we can harness enough power to take down Shinra. I'll keep preparing more battle intel reports, which I hope you will assist me in completing. I have to tell you that I'm grateful for all of your help thus far. I've done it! I've developed a new materia. I look forward to receiving all of your future battle intel submissions.
I hear you sell swords. Might want to introduce yourself to the other merchants.
Is there anyone who can trace off that some rabbit dog is probably Boulevard? I know you. You're that, what was it?
Took care of the dog, did you? Phew. We owe you one.
Gotta say, I've never seen a Shinra breed like that before. Out of curiosity, when exactly did it show up?
Oh, today. The first reports came in just this morning. Why do you ask? Wait a minute. There's this crazy story about a Shinra research lab hidden right beneath our feet under the slums.
Huh. Really? That's news to me.
And here I thought you might know something I don't. Well, I guess not.
It's a big organization. Sure, there's lots of secrets I don't know.
Yeah, fair enough. You got the bastard. That's good enough for me. I'll make sure everyone knows just how much you've done for us.
Everyone I know said they felt good
Riddance to those.
My husband decided to go to
Can't help but take a look.
Thanks. I'm sure he appreciates it.
Hey, this looks...
Those disgusting vermin deserved what they got.
Hello, hello! Oh, what do we have here? I'm guessing you're that merc I've heard so much about. You're not here to shop, are you? People were right. You look like you can handle yourself. So some drakes have made themselves at home in the abandoned Taliger factory. Can't have that kind of trouble around here. My regulars will do anything to get their hands on the scrap in there, and if they run into those drakes, they could get hurt.
I'll handle it.
Much obliged, sir. Head on over to the old Taliger factory and talk to Narjan. He's the watchman guarding the entrance. Good luck. I'm counting on you, my friend.
Shops on Culvert Street stock goods you won't find in the reputable establishments.
So I was at the Honeybee.
You, set. Having regular? You don't look like that. Come on. You, set.
Something's wrong. Let's check it out.
Stay away from me! Hold it! Settle down now. Get off me, assholes! I didn't do shit!
Shut up, punk!
Or what, huh? Screw you! Ow,
What's going on?
Man. Why you gotta do me
Somebody
like
went
that?
and stole some
Just
blasting
messing
from a
with you.
Shinra warehouse. So public security started asking questions, and you know how Johnny gets.
It's because of the reactor bombing, I bet. I could be wrong, but something tells me they're not gonna settle for just roughing him up this time.
We've got to save him, Cloud.
Is he Avalanche?
No. He doesn't really know what we do. But he has his suspicions. And he's a talker. Actually, you know what? Maybe I should go alone.
I'm coming.
Are you sure?
It's the least I can do. Lead on.
Thanks. Come on.
He could go to jail.
I feel bad.
He's got all screwed public security. Hell down at Johnny's.
They come in and act like they...
What the hell, man? You trying to break my arm? Dragging me through the street like this is... Ow! Cruel and unusual punishment!
Come on. Let's get a closer look.
Is there any way to treat a model citizen of Midgar?
Model citizens don't steal blasting, Agent. So why don't you tell me why your ID popped when we were going over the warehouse logs?
Huh? You got it all wrong. I've never gone anywhere near a Shinra warehouse.
Your ID was never lost, dumbass. We never got you inside a Shinra installation in the first place. But show you. We'll take all the time we need to help you get the story straight.
I swear. All he had to do was keep his mouth shut.
Yep.
Anyway, you distract the officers and I'll figure something out.
Let him go.
Who are you? The cavalry?
Is that who I think it is? Oh, hell yeah! You guys really came to save me! Ow!
Hey! What do you think you're doing?
Here we go.
Too bad. It's over. Allow me.
Chew on this!
Bring it!
Need to heal!
Gotcha. Enough. Too bad.
So, is it over? Yo, anybody there?
Johnny, so we can
If you're
get out
there,
of
then help me.
All right.
What now?
He's a talker.
Huh? Whoa, whoa!
No!
Huh? You're not gonna... Hold up! Wait! Don't do it, man!
You want to live? Then get the hell out of town.
You got it, boss! You ain't never gonna see my face again! I swear!
Are you sure about this? It's a big risk.
I know, but it's fine.
And them?
No more. Cloud, you're scaring me.